Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is the project of CND. CND means Computer Networking and Data Communication. The project topic of College Campus Networking Design. The guide of project Devkate ma'am and branch of Electronics and Telecommunication. The aim of micro project simulation of college campus networking design using Cisco Packet Tracer. The group members of Neha Bhosle, Sanika Jadhav, Shreya Mhatre and Pooja Kadar. First will be discuss the what is networking. Networking is the exchange of information and ideas among the people with a common profession or special internet, usually an informal social setting. And second will be discuss the what is campus networking. Campus networking, campus area network, the corporate the area network or CAN is a computer network made up of and the interconnection of local area networks LAN within the limited geographical area. And third will be discuss the what is networking in college. The purpose of networking is to form the relation with those who help get you where you want to go, and earlier you start the building up our network, the better. That's why it's important to start the networking in college before you are even ready to enter the workforce. And now, hello and welcome back. You have seen the introduction to Cisco Packet Tracer. It is the good time actually to head look at you can request a website from and server, and how does this the request go through the entire network and how it is the response received back from the server. So we are taking the about the communication being sent the payment, and also saw the analogy that the orders were being delivered in small packages, and whenever there is a hung request, say a very hung file to be sent by the server the back to the laptop which made the request, it is the sent in a small packets. So how the days the packets actually reach a destination and how to laptop actually take all these packets and finally come up with the website that was requested. So let us go to the packet tracer and see how this happens. So here have a topology that here being laid out. It is the just imaginary topology of say a campus network. This is the logical representation of topology. So if you look at the physical one, here is a map. So this is the campus map. Here what you see, internet service provider, and internet service provider is linked to the computer sense, which is the again linked to a hostel. We could not decide this computer center look at the certain device there. And similarly, if we go to up the, we can see there the network room for the hostel and certain devices are placed there. If we Wi-Fi modem, here we have a laptop, a cell phone and desktop which is the connected directly to the all socket. We saw this as certain. So when a look at the logically, so these are laptops and the cell phones. PC that we are talking about, that this is a Wi-Fi router of the hostel, and similarly entire the network belongs and what the hostel network is. Network is then connected to the campus network, and campus network has to own towers like this server. So what we will be tried now, we will try the request website, which is the trying there the institute website server. So let us open the laptop to go to the browser. So the name of website, the insti.ac .in. Now we if we enter the see this dummy website coming up, which is has the link to a campus map and IP address allocation of institute, and when your link click on image. So right now we saw the laptop has sent the request and the server has responded, but how to the see it step by step. So what we can you and second the discuss the network service. First, the security service is a service provided by a layer of communication open system, which is the ensure the adaptive security of the system of data transfer as defined as ITU and TX. Second is proxy service. Is a proxy services is and the intermediary role players by software or dedicate the computer system between a endpoint device and the silent, which is the requesting the service. The second point of DNS, third point of DNS, the domain name system. The internet DNS system works the much like a phone book by managing the happening between the names and humans. Internet a service that provide a way for the data we transfer from internet service to you our computer. Resource sharing means making the collection of a library available to the partners of another libraries effectively. Remote access. Remote access is the act of connecting to IT services, application or data from a location other than headquarters or a location closest to the data center. Next one, voice over IP, also called IP telephony, is a method of group of technologies for the delivery of voice communication of multimedia section over internet protocol network, such as the internet. Network redundancy, it is the process of adding additional instances of network device and lines of communication to help ensure network availability. And next point of application service, the first point is academic portal. The in portal was developed to support the academic task performers. The next part of online registration portal. Online registration portal is a research work designed and implemented to provide the erased and way to the replace the existing manual system used. And next one, or online attendance portal and online attendance management system or digital attendance platform is one of them, which is developed by automate the daily attention of college. And last point of complement set, it is used for web technology. And last point of conclusion, star topology provide the center hub, which is the over connecting are delivered. The faults in the works can be located and fixed easily. Top down the approach the handling user requirements at the level. Total investment 324.924. The describe the networks aims to provide an optional, scalable and maintainable. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.